Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I have a package from Bomb Nails. The first time I ever heard of this brand was about a year or two ago from Momo Nail Creations here on YouTube. But now that it's becoming more popular, especially I be watching Paige. Most of the time you can use her discount code. I'm gonna put on the screen right here. Yeah, so it's becoming more popular and I just wanted to try it out because watching people swatch the colors, it looked like they bomb. So getting right into it, aside from me buying the acrylics, I bought her Nail Boss glass cup. When I first took the cup out of the packaging, I was like, it don't come with no straw? Where the straw at? But the straw is actually packaged with the acrylics on the side. Here's how the cup looking. It's so cute. Now, I don't drink coffee, but I'm definitely gonna have me some water in the cup. And I already used it and it's bomb. All right, y'all. So here go the straw right here. I thought, it wasn't coming with it. I was like, that's false advertisement. That's false advertisement. But no, for real, y'all need to get y'all one. Plus, she got BAs. You can use a discount code, get 15% off. So the first acrylic that I purchased was Rosewood Nude. The second one, I believe, was Birthday Suit. The very last one is Butter Pecan. We're finna get straight into swatching these acrylics. Tell me why I didn't know they were sealed. I was seeing her struggling for at least 30 seconds. Thinking, dang, these things on there good. But no, for real, I had to pull out my scissors, use my mouth a little bit to get the tape off. Don't judge. Going in with the first bead, you can see that it polymerized very quickly. Let me just go on and say, let's get this out of the way. Yeah, these reviews ain't lying. I'm telling you, bomb acrylics. Y'all see it for yourself. Bomb. So I literally struggled for at least 45, 30 seconds on this one. So I had to turn the camera off and come back on. But we're going to get it right. We're going to get it right. Finally, after 30 years of trying to take the cap off, we're now going to be swatching Rosewood Nude. Alright, y'all, we're heading close to the end of this video. Overall, get the acrylics. I'm telling you, you're going to love them. So, shout out to Paige, shout out to Momo, and shout out to Gabby for making these bomb acrylics. Like, for real. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know would you try these acrylics. Bye!